Also, the weather is cooperating, so we even have a beautiful garden set up later that you can enjoy for photo opportunities. But first of all, I wanted to share with you the purpose for us, of course, gathering here today. And we're here to share the milestones of Home Credit. I think the last time we saw each other was last year, and we've made a lot of progress since then. And I won't talk about the numbers now, but the numbers are less important than what they symbolize. They actually symbolize the dreams that were realized, the progress that was achieved, and all the opportunities that have been made possible for Filipinos and their families. So that's an amazing thing, I think, that you'll be hearing about later on. But of course, today as well, as mentioned earlier, we will be holding our first inaugural Media Awards. So all of this really would not have been possible without you, our valued media partners, who have been helping us share stories of the progress we've made and the stories of the people that we've served, all the customers that have been able to, move forward, afford what they needed to afford, and give to their families with the help of Home Credit. So for that, we thank you very much. And of course, as a company, we're really here to promote, as everyone says, financial inclusion. But we're doing this in our unique way, but by offering the credit opportunities that people normally would not be able to access, because of many different things, and we'll hear more about that later. But for sure, as a company, we are committed to providing even more opportunities for Filipinos, to be able to progress, achieve what they want in life. And again, thank you for helping us share these stories. And we hope that you learn a lot today, and you get excited also about what Home Credit has to offer for our future. Thank you very much. Actually, to teach people how to manage their money better. So, hindi masama magkautang, basta alam natin na kaya natin siya. So, to be able to manage your budget, to know when, you should be getting a loan or an installment, and when you shouldn't. To be able to save, of course, and to be able to invest for the future. That's always been the advocacy of Home Credit. And we actually did this, okay, I think I skipped something. Okay, we actually did this by launching a program called Wise at Home. This is an evolution of our previous financial literacy program. And before, when we used to do this offline in barangays and various corners of the Philippines, we actually expanded it to becoming an on-air program, releasing financial literacy tips to radio listeners. And